everybody. Curious Fox here again, and I'm so happy to see all of your smiling faces. For today's song, I've decided to sing a fun little number called Nature's Colorful Friends. And seeing as I live out in nature, I thought this would be the perfect song for me to sing. So on the count of 3, I'm going to try and give it a go. All right? How about you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. A little purple butterfly is flying through the trees. She's off to see her little friends, the yellow bumblebee. The yellow bumblebee's at home, working on his honeycomb. He stops to watch a small brown dog burying his brand new bone. The small brown dog stops his digging, his little tail a-wiggling. He's come across a brand new friend, a long pink worm a-jiggling. The long pink worm raises his head, looks at the dog with lots of dread. He thinks that he has met his end, and buries himself once again. See, didn't I tell you that was a fun little song? Do you like being outside? I love to get my hands dirty. There's no place like being outside. I don't know what I would do without nature. Thank you so much for singing with me today. I always have so much fun with you. Please come back again. I have so many more songs planned for us in the future. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.